Hi there, this video is about everyday effects of diffusion in terms of particles such as spreading of perfumes, cooking aromas, and tea and coffee grains in water. Let's get started. Spreading of perfumes. When one walks past a cosmetic counter in a departmental store, he or she can smell perfumes. Similarly, when you spray a perfume in a room, person sitting in the other corner of the room smells it. Actually, the droplets of perfume escape from the perfume bottle when it is sprayed, and the volatile fragrant compounds in perfume droplets, they evaporate off, and these perfume vapors, because they are in the state of constant random and haphazard motion, they collide with one another and with the molecules of air and bounce off in all the possible directions. And since there are large gaps between air molecules and perfume vapors too, therefore the perfume vapor, they spread into the air and ultimately reach the nose of somebody walking past the cosmetic counter, and hence he or she smells the perfume. Second everyday effect of diffusion is cooking aromas. Like spreading of perfumes, cooking aromas is also an example of diffusion of gas in gas. Cooked food recipe can easily be recognized by its aroma. While cooking, heat makes fragrant organic molecules evaporate off from foodstuff being cooked and spices used to make the recipe. Because of collisions of vapors of aroma with one another and with the air molecules, they bounce off in all the possible directions. And secondly, due to large interparticular gaps, molecules of fragrant compounds in the foodstuff and spices spread out or diffuse into the air, announcing the taste of a recipe. Let us look at this figure. This is the cooked recipe, and these are the vapor of fragrant organic compounds in spices and foodstuff. Now let us look at the third everyday effect of diffusion, and that is tea and coffee grains in water. It is an example of diffusion of solid particles in liquid. This diffusion can only occur if the solid is soluble in the given liquid. Both tea and coffee grains contain water-soluble pigments and caffeine. On adding their grains to water, caffeine and pigments diffuse into surrounding water. Actually, the water molecules randomly move and collide with the tea and coffee grains and pull out from them soluble pigment and caffeine particles. Since these particles are soluble in water and they also move randomly like the molecules of water, they tend to accommodate in the empty spaces amongst the surrounding water molecules. Consequently, water becomes red-brown in color and flavored with the tea or coffee. This all happens because of diffusion. This is tea grains, and these are the caffeine and the pigment molecules in water. These are coffee grains. This is water having caffeine and pigments diffused in. If you liked the video, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that upcoming video lecture on chemistry may not be missed. Sharing is requested too. Thanks for watching.